Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Cool Dandy here, and I want to tell you something about the motorcycle today that I'm not really excited to tell you, but I'm gonna tell you because I wanna everybody to know what's going on. Maybe it's a problem, an issue, or maybe it's not. But I'm gonna take the motorcycle to the dealer one of these days this week because it's making a weird noise in front. I don't know if it's the brake or the front shock, but it's making a weird noise, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to move the bike here to handle it to see if it makes the noise, so you guys can hear and see, because I don't think this is normal. So here we go. You hear that? You hear that? I don't think that noise is normal. I don't think. He was not doing that before. I don't know if it's the brakes or the shocks here. Something got loose. Something's going on, but definitely he was not doing that before. Look, I do it again. You see? That noise is not normal. I'm gonna take it back to a dealer, and I will let you guys know what they told me, and if it's there something wrong, what it was, and how they got it fixed. So for anybody that had the same motorcycle, or if something happened like that, so you know what to do. All right. So GG, and I'll see you in the next video.